This is WAEC June 2019 General Mathematics Paper 2, and we are answering question number 2b. And the question reads, given that 5b minus a all over 8b plus 3a is equals to 1 over 5. This is an equation involving algebraic fraction. So the question asks is to find the correct two decimal places, the value of a over b. So this is what you are asked in this very question. So let's attempt to answer it together. Solution to the problem, copying the given equation, that is 5b minus a all over 8b plus 3a equals to 1 over 5. What we need to do to find the value of a over b, we now do all those that we can here to arrive at a over b by the left, and whatever comes by the right will be a constant number. So in attempt to do that, let's just cross multiply. So cross multiply, that is 5b minus a times this 5 and 8b plus 3a times this one. You now have 5 multiplied by what is in the bracket, and that bracket contains 5b minus a. Look at it, 5b minus a times this 5 equals to 8b plus 3a times 1. That gives 8b plus 3a. So expanding this very bracket, that is multiplying 5 by what is in the bracket, you now have 25b minus 5a. Then copy the right hand side, 8b plus 3a. So next you now do, you collect all those that have letter A to the left and all those that have letter B to the right. So in doing that, you now take this 3a from right to the left, and you take this 25b from left to the right. Let me do that. So you're now going to have minus 5a, which I just copied. 3a shifted to the left becomes minus 3a. 8b, which I just copied, and 25b shifted to the right becomes minus 25b. So collecting this like times minus 5a minus 3a, that gives minus 8a. And 8b minus 25b, that gives answer minus 17b. So next, to get a over b, you now divide both sides by minus 8b. So dividing left hand side by minus 8b. Look at it, minus 8a divided by minus 8b. And similarly, the right hand side, which is minus 17b divided by minus 8b. You can see here minus 8 will cancel minus 8. will now be having only a over b by the left. And there b will cancel b, so you only have minus 17 divided by minus 8 by the right. So if we do that, you now have a over b by the left, and you have 17 over 8. This minus divided by minus gives answer plus. So you now divide 17 by 8 because we are now asked to give our answer correct to 2 decimal places. So dividing 17 by 8 and writing the answer to 2 places of decimal, you now have 2.13. So this will now be the value of a over b, and that answered this very question. So let me just share with you the mark distribution for this very question as it is contained in the marking scheme. So the very first mark is method 1 marker, and that method 1 mark is for cross multiplying correctly. You have this method 1 mark. After cross multiplying and collecting terms in A by the one side and terms in B by the other side, you have this method 1 mark. Next mark is the attempt to get your A over B, where you divided both sides by minus 8b. You have this method 1 mark. And when you now have the value of A over B exactly rounded to 2 decimal places, and you have 2.13 as your answer, you have this accuracy 1 mark. So in total, this very question number 2b has 4 good marks.